Hello, students, and welcome back to our EDUC 1300 Learning Framework First Year Experience course for our section 3T09. This is a tour of our new online course, and you will be using these tools to finish the semester. Notice, if you haven't been logging in, I've posted several announcements over the course of the long weeks of spring break. Go ahead and read through them. There's a group discussion that I'd like you to participate in. It's right here. Describe your best case scenario for after the pandemic passes. You click on that link. Read the instructions, and start a new thread. Give it a title, write your response in here, and then post it. And once you post it, I would like you to go back and reply to your other classmates' posts for this group discussion. Group discussions are something that we are going to be doing a lot of for the rest of the semester. It's a good way for all of us to talk and do some active learning for the course. So we'll go back to content. So notice in content, we've got a table of contents, but I've added start here first. That's because I want you to start here first. So right here is this video tour that I'm doing with you right now. Notice I've given you a getting started checklist. Click on that, and you will see tasks that you need to do first, ahead of April the 13th. Please. I want you to make sure you're signed up for Remind. I want you to log in and sign up for WebEx. WebEx is a group conferencing tool. We will be doing that on Tuesday, the 14th of April at 11 o'clock. Be sure to sign up for WebEx on Monday, the 13th of April, so that you're ready to go and ready to log in for our WebEx meeting. And the third task is for you to create a free student account on Nearpod.com. You need this in order to be able to complete my lessons. All of my lessons will be put into Nearpod. So follow the directions. Do not use nicknames or usernames, first and last name, please. And after that, you won't have to log in every time you want to work on a lesson. Okay, we'll go back to content. Syllabus and calendar. Here you'll find my complete course syllabus, the official version, and I will be adding a calendar. Student resources. I've put everything in here that I can think of that you will need. Here is my phone number where you can text or call me, and my Lone Star email address. If you want to speak with our counselor, Lisa Davis, here is her email address. Also, if you remember Community and Schools, Christine Carpenter, right here is her address. For tutoring, go to this link. For financial aid, go here. For technical help, click on this link. For D2L help, go to D2L and select support at the top of the page. For our class advisor, George Torres, you can email him at this link. So for WebEx meetings, once you're signed up, click on that, and you will see that we have a WebEx meeting right here. Please ignore this one. This one is a 1 minute that I accidentally scheduled and I can't delete it. So do the 1 hour one and we'll be set. Notice I have another one scheduled for Thursday, the 16th. Also, if you go back to the title page, you'll see on the calendar, our WebEx meetings are right here. So back to content. Need a grit boost? I will be adding motivational and inspirational things in here for you to use. If you're thirsty and you need a cup of grit water, this is where you can come. Our advising component, part of our course, worth 100 points. You've already had your group meeting, but you will have to do your plan with your advisor. And all of that information will be forthcoming from advising, and I will post it here under advising component. Then we have the Path to Success paper that is due on April 16th. Notice the due date here. Here is the Dropbox. So I made a checklist for you to hand in your Path to Success paper. So you'll review your rubric and everything it says here. You will scan your worksheets. Here's a recommended free scanner app. Scan your worksheets and save as a PDF with this example of your project, your last name. Save your essay to a PDF like this. Then upload your files to the Dropbox. Go back to the Dropbox. I don't know if it'll let me in. So you will be able to click on this Dropbox and then you'll drag or upload your assignment. We can talk more about that on Tuesday. I've left Smarter Measure on here in case anyone has to take the Smarter Measure assessment. So I'm going to go back to content. Your lessons will show up as modules, and I will be changing this before the 13th in that we are going to do how we learn first, and essential skills will drop to the next module. But when you go into the module, you'll get a checklist, just like you have up here in Start Here First, that will list tasks for you to complete the whole module. And then you will sign into there'll be a code up here for Nearpod. You'll go to Nearpod, you'll put that code in, and it will take you into the whole lesson. We will have 3 modules to complete to finish our course. And then we will have a review module, and then we will do a final project or exam. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our new course. I'm excited to get you all back again, even if we're not in the classroom. I've missed seeing you. I've missed talking to you. So, if you have any questions, you can text or email me. In the meantime, I look forward to seeing you on our WebEx on Tuesday, April 14th at 11 o'clock. Enjoy your last week of the break.